Welcome to Max class. In this class, I am going to explain the sums given in exercise 3.4 in ratio and proportion. Question number 3. If a person reads 20 pages of a book in 2 hours, how many pages will he read in 8 hours at the same speed? First, we find the pages read in 1 hour and then we find the pages read in 8 hours. Pages read in 2 hours equal to 20 pages. So number of pages read in 1 hour equal to 20 by 2 equal to 10 pages. Therefore, pages read in 8 hours equal to 10 into 8 equal to 80 pages. So 80 pages read in 8 hours. Question number 4. The cost of 15 chairs in rupees 7,500. Find the number of such chairs that can be purchased for rupees 12,000. First we find the cost of one chair and then we find the number of chairs purchased for rupees 12,000. Cost of 15 chairs equal to rupees 7,500. Cost of one chair equal to 7,500 divided by 15 equal to rupees 500. So cost of one chair equal to rupees 500. Number of chairs purchased for rupees 500 equal to 1. Therefore, number of chairs purchased for rupees 12,000 equal to 12,000 by 500. Here two zeros get cancelled. So 120 divided by 5 equal to 24. So 24 chairs can be purchased for rupees 12,000. Question number 5. A car covers a distance of rupees 125 km in 5 kg of LP gas. How much distance will it cover in 3 kg of LP gas? Car covers a distance in 5 kg of LP gas equal to 125 km. From this, we find the car covers a distance of in 1 kg of LP gas equal to 125 divided by 5 equal to 25 km. So, 25 km covers in 1 kg of LP gas. Therefore, car covers a distance of in 3 kg of LP gas equal to 3 into 25 equal to 75 km. Therefore, 75 km cover in 3 kg of LP gas. Question number 6. Soren walks 6 km in 1 hour at constant speed. Find the distance covered by him in 20 minutes at the same speed. First, we find the distance covered in 1 minute and then from this we can find the distance covered in 20 minutes. Distance covered in 60 minutes equal to 6 km. Distance covered in 1 minute equal to 6 km by 60 minute equal to 1 by 10 km. Distance covered in 20 minutes equal to 1 into 20 divided by 10 equal to 2 km. Soren covered 2 km in 20 minutes. Question number 7. The number of correct answers given by Karmugilan and Kavita in a quiz competition are in the ratio 10 is to 11. If they had scored a total of 84 points in the competition, then how many points did Kavita get? Total points scored by Karmugilan and Kavita equal to 84. The ratio given equal to 10 is to 11. Sum of the ratio equal to 10 plus 11 equal to 21. 21 parts equal to 84 points. Total parts equal to total points. From this we can find one part equal to 84 by 21 equal to 4 points. Here one part equal to 4 points. Kavita scored 11 parts. Karmugilan scored 10 parts. So points scored by Kavita equal to 11 parts equal to 11 into 4 equal to 44 points. So points scored by Kavita equal to 44 points. Question number 8. Cormegan made 54 runs in 9 overs and Asif made 77 runs in 11 overs. Whose run rate is better? Here run rate equal to ratio of runs to overs. So run rate equal to runs is to overs. So run rate of Cormegan equal to 54 is to 9 equal to 54 by 9. Here ratio write in fraction form. 54 by 9 equal to 6. So run rate of Asif equal to 77 is to 11 equal to 77 by 11 equal to 7. Here Asif's run rate is better than Cormegan. Question number 9. You purchase 6 apples for rupees 90 and your friend purchases 5 apples for rupees 70. Whose purchase is better? Here first we find the cost of one apple by you and your friend. Myself, cost of 6 apples equal to rupees 90. From this we can find cost of one apple equal to 90 by 6 equal to rupees 15. Friends purchase, cost of 5 apples equal to rupees 70. So cost of one apple equal to 70 by 5 equal to rupees 11. Now we compare the purchase of myself and friend's purchase. So friend's purchase is better than myself. Students, I hope you have understood the sums given in exercise 3.4. Thank you.